welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite 22-year-old, almost 23-year-old. Yeah, it's my birthday week. Almost, technically tomorrow starts my birthday week, but my birthday is next Saturday. My last dress came, so I'm gonna try it on, and I won't show you guys because it's a surprise, but I got it from Old Poly. Let me show y'all the packaging and everything. So this is how it comes. Well, this is not how it comes. It came in another thing, but inside of the little outer packaging was this. This is so cute. And then, yeah, this is the dress. How it comes. I'm gonna open it up and show y'all. And then this is the dress. So I'm gonna try it on. Hopefully it fits. But yeah. Yeah, you see the dress. So let's try it out. Hey guys, it is Sunday, January 24th. My birthday is in 6 days, and yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like this little messy ponytail. Like, how cute is this little messy ponytail? So freaking cute, right? I love it. It's so cute. Like, it's so messy, but it's so cute. Anyway, today I'm not doing much. I'm about to go to the gym at 12:30. It's 12 right now. I'm eating this acai bowl I got. I don't like this one, but it has protein powder in it. I think that's what I'm tasting that I don't like. I think it's chocolate. Granola in my throat. Ugh. Okay. I think it's chocolate protein powder. That shit's fucking nasty. It's gross. But but I'm gonna try to eat some more of it before I go to the gym. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because then I'm gonna be like mad full. Hey guys, I'm just leaving the gym. I've been doing this little TikTok workout I found on the treadmill. I literally just started going back to the gym. I used to go, oh shit, I could have went out the way. I used to go all the time, like 2 years ago with my cousin, but then I stopped. And then I was working out from home a little bit during COVID. And then I stopped because I'm like, I want to go to the gym again. Because it's different being in the gym than working out at home. When you work out in the gym, like, I don't know, it's more motivation. At least in my opinion. So, yeah, I do this workout where it's like you go on the treadmill, right? And you put it on an incline of 12, which is very high. You do a speed of 3, and then you do it for 30 minutes. When I tell you, like, that junk really, like, it's hard. It sounds easy, but it's really not because, man, like, 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes in, it's hard the whole time. Like, you really have to talk yourself through it.
That was not your mom. That was me. Milano, that was me, buddy. Hi. You know what? That was me.
It's because he see Bluey.
I can hold you. Come on. Let me hold you, man. He not gonna like bite me.
No, he don't bite.
Oh, Milano, come on. This long ass face. This is amazing. Oh, he smells good. I didn't put no damn dog perfume on this man.
No. That's just the shampoo.
Wow.
Y'all, isn't the scenery so pretty? I can't wait to move out here.
First of all, this is wow, I can't believe Bluey don't ever fight back. You see what he do? Run.
You gonna let him sneak you? You gonna let him? Okay. Oh. Hey Hey guys, it's Thursday. 2 days until my birthday. I just finished getting my lashes done. As you can see, I have to go get my hair done at 4, so I'm gonna go home and wash and blow dry this mess so I can get my hair dizzied. Okay, purr. So yeah, let me get back on the road. Hey guys, my hair looks crazy, but I'm on my way to get it done right now. I'm on the elevator, it's my hair. About to leave. So yeah, my hair was matchy. So freaking cold, guys. It's so cold. You can't see my hair, but yeah. It's done. I'll probably put it on some rollers just to end. So yeah, my hair was literally only $30 because since she was so late, she took $25 off. So yeah. Oh, I'm about to go home and just prepare for this weekend. Okay guys, I'm back home. I just opened up one of my presents my aunt gave me. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got this little cute little shoe mug. I got this. Oh, the other thing, she gave me some pajamas and I put them in my bag because they're so cute. And I'm about to put this in my bag. Oh no, is that a pimple? This Salvatore Ferragamo perfume. It smells so good. And I love perfume. I've really been getting into perfume lately. So this, I sprayed some right here. It smells so good. Like, oh my god. I love fancy perfume. I wanted to get Baccarat, the Rouge 541. But that bitch is sold out, and the little ones that's like this big, comes in 3, is $150. And I was like, I know what it smells like. I smelled somebody that had it on, but I don't know what it's gonna smell like on me. So I'm not gonna get it, but I am gonna wear my Ferragamo perfume. Periods. Hey guys, so once again, another inconvenience. At least yesterday I got to get my hair done, y'all. I drove an hour to get to my nail girl's house. And I texted her letting her know I'm outside. Why she say, oh, you didn't get my text, I'm not feeling well? Like, bro, I drove an hour to get here. You canceled me the day before my birthday. Like, that shit is so mad annoying. Like, you didn't get my text? If I didn't respond, like, do you think I got your text? I should have known something was up when she didn't respond to my original message. Ugh. Hey guys, I'm on my way to my room. Let me show y'all. Let me show you guys. So, this is how it is when you first walk in, and then you come around here, and there's a bathroom, and then you come here, and Milano's barking. The view. I tried to put on dog TV for him, but he didn't want to hear it. So yeah, this is what the living room, and then open here, and then bedroom, and I think he pottied. Bath. All that that good stuff. I need to flat iron my hair, y'all, because it's giving puffy. Just a little bit. Okay, yeah. So here's the bathroom. I think the toilet is in this part. Yeah. Toilet is in that part. Shower is over here. Mirrors. Need to straighten my hair a little bit. Hotels always have blow dryers. I wish they freaking had flat irons. Bedroom. Then the view from the bedroom. Oh, sorry. Oh. Curtains are automatic, so yeah. And then here. Y'all can see. Pretty. Guys, so I figured out how to turn the fireplace on. Oh my gosh, like, y'all don't even get it. I'm really manifesting living like this. Like, that being my kitchen over there. Having the city view with Milano. He loves it. Yeah, like, I'm so ready. I am so ready. Yeah. Hi guys, it's like 2 hours into my birthday. That's what I'm wearing. Get into it, Milano. Get into it. Yeah. That's what we got going on. So yeah. Just waiting for my friends to come back. Your mother be in a hoe. Your mom be in a hoe. Your mom be like that, I guess.
Period. It's your birthday.
Her. Yeah.
So I'm trying to take my time. I'm gonna get there.
Yeah. Oh. 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 You got the knees like Meg or what? Yes. Yeah. Birthday. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the party. We in here with it.
Okay.
Misfits. We decorating, y'all. Look at that balloon I try to blow up. I'm done. Yeah. It was a real cute in your whatever, almost. It's my motherfucking birthday.